Hey riders, uh, have you ever wondered how to carry your luggage in a motorcycle like Himalayan? Well, wonder no more. Raya India has manufactured two beautiful products to help you carry luggages, especially when you are going on long trails. This is Rohit. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about two products, rear carrier mount and pillion carrier mount. Okay, let's dive in. Alright guys, uh, I'm going to start with rear carrier mount. So this is the box piece. The box has one unit of rear carrier mount. So this is where it goes. The OE plate has four screws. Let me open the screws using the Allen key 4mm. This is a very easy to install product. So you just have to open the four screws. Here we go, all four are out. So this plate, rear carrier mount, goes here. The four screws are given here to get bolted onto this. So locate the four screws and four holes. Locate the four holes and put the screws back. So it is a very simple product. You enjoy fitting this by yourself. I'm sure about that. That's it. Now using the same Allen key, tighten all the four screws. So as I mentioned earlier, the only tool you need to fix this is a 4mm Allen key. Alright, if you don't have it, you may well go to a hardware shop and buy one. I think these are very handy tools. You might want to keep it in the house. That's it. The plate is fixed. Guys, this rear carrier mount is extremely helpful when you are having excess luggage and going on a long trail. So you can mount the luggage here. Using these slots, you can tie them. These are very cleverly given slots. And this product comes with two different material, mild steel and aluminum. Yes, you might have already guessed, aluminum material is very light in weight. The reason for manufacturing in aluminum is because this bracket, the OE supplied bracket, has a weight carrying capacity of 7 kilos. So if you are loading a plate of 2-3 kilos, which is MS, so the total load carrying capacity comes down. Hence it makes a lot of sense to mount an aluminum plate and load about 6.5 to 7 kilos on this bracket. Let me show you how the aluminum plate looks like. Guys, there is no difference, absolutely. In terms of the size, in terms of the shape, in terms of the slot cutting, everything is similar except for the weight of the material. So this is aluminum, and what I have mounted on the vehicle is mild steel. So both of them are here. So you make a clever decision which one to buy. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, both aluminum and MS are laser cut. They both are powder coated to black in color, powder coated to achieve long durability. So let me show you how the bag is mounted on the plate and how they are securely fastened or securely tightened on these plates. So guys, this is called as ratchet strap. So I have got two of them. For the bag I think I will need only one of the ratchet strap. So I'll tell you how to use them. Insert the insert one end of the ratchet strap to this hole, to this slot, and then take this to another slot. All right, here we go. Now take the bag. This is my duffel bag. All right, pull it from one end and insert it in the other slot. All right, now take it to the, okay, before that let me pull this up. All right, the ratchet. Now take the other end from the last slot. So here we go. We have got one end here, and the ratchet is in the other end. So try pulling the bag and press the ratchet here. Insert the strap from the other side, and here you go. The strap has come. Release the ratchet and pull it. That's it. See, the bag is firmly secured, and you can tighten it as much as you want by pressing the button here in the ratchet. That's it, guys. We are good to go for a long trial. So this is a pillion carrier mount. This is one of the magical product from Raya India. Extremely helpful and very easy to mount. This product doesn't need any tools to fit. So let me show you. Take the key, take the seat out. That's all. The seat is out, and insert the pillion carrier mount in the place where the pillion seat goes. So here you go. Press it. That's all. You hear that kitik sound? Yeah. So the carrier mount is in its place. The pillion carrier mount comes with two rubber bushes underneath, which absorbs the shock and evenly distributes the weight. Which means to say, you can actually carry a lot of weight on this pillion carrier mount, ride at a comfortable speed or a little higher speed without encountering any sway from the rear. Alright guys, this is manufactured using mild steel 3mm plate, powder coated for long durability, comes in black color. Alright guys, this is about pillion carrier mount and rear carrier mount. I hope you have liked the product. If you have, please hit the like button and subscribe button. By the way, you can buy both the products from our website rayaindia.in. The product link is also provided in the description below. So see you guys. I hope you enjoyed these two products and the video. See you again in the next video.